all things Zazen. Given the simplicity of practice, why is it so hard? What if I told you the hardest thing in Zen practice isn't sitting still, or keeping your back straight, or even staying awake? It's something you used to be great at, back when you were 4. You didn't train for it, you didn't overthink it, and you definitely didn't buy a mindfulness app for it. It was natural, effortless. And now, you've completely forgotten how to do it. That thing is letting go. Yes, practice has other challenges. Your mind's constant chatter, the gravitational pull of your own thoughts, the sneaky resistance to bringing your attention back. But the real culprit, the reason a practice that's almost insultingly simple still feels like climbing a sheer cliff with oven mitts, is that the art of letting go has been buried under years, and possibly decades of conditioning. Let's rewind. Across centuries, Zen teachers have rolled out a buffet of practices. Counting the breath, following the breath, silently wrestling with a koan, or just sitting there doing nothing. Except, of course, for the massive amount of something that doing nothing turns out to be. At first glance, they look wildly different. But underneath, every one of them runs on the same deceptively small operating system. Awaken, Orient, let go, and repeat. Awakening is the moment you catch yourself drifting into yesterday's conversation, tomorrow's to-do list, or an imaginary argument you've been winning for the past 10 minutes, and you snap back to the present. Orienting is re-establishing contact with whatever your practice uses as its anchor: the breath, the body, the open field of awareness. Letting go is, well, this is where the trouble starts. See, letting go isn't just shifting attention. It's giving up ownership. It's dropping the judgments. Pleasant, unpleasant, good, bad, and abandoning the urge to hold on to the pleasant and push away the unpleasant. It's the opposite of everything your brain has been trained to do since kindergarten. Because somewhere between the sandbox and adulthood, we stopped just letting go. Naturally. We were taught to hold on. To possessions, to achievements, to opinions, to grudges, to the belief that if we just think hard enough, we can control how everything turns out. In practice, this makes letting go feel about as safe as walking into traffic. And that's why this cycle: awaken, orient, let go, though simple enough to fit on a post-it, feels like work. Awakening means interrupting the momentum of a mind evolved to jump from one shiny object to the next. Orienting means reconnecting with the circumstances that were invariably neglected while busy thinking. But letting go? That's the deep cut. It's asking you to surrender the illusion that clutching tighter will keep you safe. The forms of practice vary, but they're all doors into the same room. And you don't enter it by forcing your way in. You enter it by dropping what you're carrying, over and over, until your hands are empty enough to turn the handle.